gifters! Today I'm bringing you the instructions to assemble a Play-Doh box. Perfect as a party favor or detail for birthdays, kids' parties, or any special celebration. We'll start by cutting the 5 main pieces of the box, along with the decorative figure or personalized text. To make the process easier and achieve more precise cuts, I recommend using a cutting plotter like a Cricut. Next, take the 2 rectangular pieces with a semicircular arch at the top. Apply enough glue along the edges and join them together. Pressing for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. Now let's assemble the small box. Fold along all the score lines carefully, as shown in the video. Apply glue to the tabs and assemble it gently. It should take shape quickly, just like in the demonstration. Let's move on to the large box. Crease all the folds precisely. Before closing it, place the small box inside, right behind the opening where the Play-Doh container will go. Then close the large box, gluing all the tabs as shown in the video. Next, take the structure with the semicircular arch we assembled at the beginning. Apply glue to the base and stick it onto the assembled large box. Using double-sided foam tape, attach the cut-out decorative figures to give them a nice 3D effect. Finally, glue the decorative frame around the hole intended for the Play-Doh container. And that's it! Your personalized Play-Doh box is ready, perfect as a party favor for kids' celebrations. If you liked your finished product, we'd love to see what you made. Share your review and your beautiful creations. It truly makes us happy and helps us keep growing. And if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always listening to your ideas.